Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a rant at Microsoft, and a rant at its simple fact that we talked about the trust that users have about Microsoft, which is no good. Most people do not trust Microsoft really well, really at all, even. And one of the biggest problems is when, of course, they started showing us the recall feature. Because of the lack of trust, well, that feature is got a lot of backlash. It got a lot of users aren't happy, and it's partly the reason why recall isn't there yet. They've backed off a little bit. They're going to bring it back. Recall is still a feature, but I think they're going to change things around. And the biggest reason for Microsoft to not be trusted is how stupid it is. The lack of communication. We say it all the time here. And we just had an experience of that. Microsoft, a couple of weeks ago, had a page that mentioned how to create, Microsoft accounts and how to create, if you wanted, a local account. It was all there. Then just, one day, somebody noticed that the part that was showing you how to go and create a local account was gone, which, of course, created a lot of backlash. People saying, "What? Why did you remove that?" And of course, it came back mysteriously today, and it just not only came back today, they even added a page to explain to you how to create a password reset disk, which, by the way, I will share in the description in case you need one. So if you have a local account, this could be very useful because you have no way of getting your account back. But with the help of a little USB thumb drive that you keep, you can unlock your account. So, come on, Microsoft. How dumb can you be doing things like that? You think nobody's going to notice that you removed information about stuff that people want to know about? This is why you're not trusted. This is why you're having a hard time with everything. This is why Windows 11 is not getting that much of market share, because people don't trust it. They call it big spyware operating system. Recall is not passing because why? Because they can't be trusted. And of course, when you do something dumb like removing a page that shows how to do something people want, without telling us, just by, let's just remove that. That certainly is not going to help trust you. Wake up, Microsoft, because it's time that you understand, if you want your Windows users to really follow where you go, better be trustable, and that means be much better than you are now, and at least talk to us. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.